I don't care what is inside your textbook. I just want to teach you how you can know it without stressing yourself. Resistivity and conductivity. Okay, the first thing you want to know is the 4 factors affecting resistance of a conductor. 4 factors affecting resistance of a conductor. Of course, don't forget, people do cram this. They don't know that the word resistance is an English word, to resist. That's why resistance is what? Is an opposition to the flow. Oppose, resist. Okay, that's why they are just 4. And there's a reason why I said they are just 4. And that is what? Malt. You know, most of you drink Maltina at home now. What does malt means? The material, okay, the area, the length, and temperature. Those are the 4 factors that affect the resistance of a conductor. Are we good? Malt. Most of you drink Maltina now. Abi? But yeah, what are the mnemonics for the 4 factors that affect resistance? Type it in the comment section. Malt. Type it right now. Share this, follow, and save it so that you don't forget. Malt. The material, the area, the length, and the temperature. But that's not the major meat of this matter. What is the meat? Okay, take malt for the meat. Okay. All right, let's move. Let's move. That's not the major. So just know malt. Oh yeah, tell me what's the full meaning of malt in the comment section. Tell me. Oh yeah, tell me. Write it down. Write it down. Okay, now resistivity and conductivity. Do you know the way I know it? That's why I say I don't care what's inside your textbook. It's just because me I cannot disturb my head. I can teach you the way they derive it, but I cannot. I just say okay, ra, abi, you understand? Over L equals to resistivity. Okay, I know some of you will be like, oh, what? Just know this. Ra over L equals to resistivity. Leave everything for the smart guys. Now, if I know that Ra over L equals to resistivity, that means it's just easy. That conductivity, I'm using CO so I don't miss it, equals to what? 1 over resistivity. No baton. That's all. Ra over L equals to, some of you will be deriving. I can derive for you if you want me to derive. I will just say resistance is directly proportional to length over area. Abi, don't forget that this is resistance, this is area, this is length. Abi, so if resistance is directly proportional to length over area, don't forget if I want to change this sign to an equal to sign, R will be equal to resistivity length over area. So from here is where I got my Ra. So if I cross multiply, it will be R times A equals to what? EL. So my this is now what is Ra over L. But who cares? I don't care all these ones. So I just want to teach you a better way. So from here, I can get the unit. So what is it? Ra over L equals to resistivity. I know some people will come for me that I'm not using the normal terms. Okay, but Ra over L equals to resistivity. All right, so now that's not also enough because you need to know the unit of resistivity. Now, equals to Ra over L. Now, unit of this resistance, ohms. What's the unit of length? Area, it will be meter square. What's the unit of length? It will be meter. So 1 meter can go away with this. Then it will be now ohms meter. So that's the unit. Now, what's the unit of conductivity? It's very easy now. Since you already know the unit of resistivity, it will be C equals to 1 over ohm meter. So it will be ohm meter per ohm meter like this. Can you see? It is very easy. So this is conductivity. You should not forget this. Oh, and this is what? Resistivity. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to join my class, send me a DM. Bye for now. Okay? Ra over L equals to what? Resistivity. 1 over resistivity equals to what? Conductivity. Bye. And don't forget my mot. Oh yeah, type it. What does mot means? Material, area, length, and temperature. Those are the factors that affect resistance of a conductor.